Being in the valley means that you need to learn how to listen. You are here right now to receive, not just this moment, but the next 4 years. You are here to receive knowledge and then to engage in discourse and dialect, to pontificate thoughts and to question. That's your job. Your parents didn't send you here to party. Parties are good. I partied with the best of them at Morris Brown. I enjoyed my college life. I enjoyed the fraternal experience. I enjoyed being in the Marching Wolverines band and coming down to Fort Valley to play the Fort Valley Wildcats back in the day. All of that was good. But at the very end of the day, at the very end of the day,
yes,
I knew that my goal and my job and my only reason was to complete my education and get my degree.
Talk about it.
And so I want to offer something to you that I think is really profound, if I must say so myself. Yours is the only college that's listed in the Bible that is covered by the Lord. Your school is the only college in the world listed in the Bible that is covered by the Lord. The psalmist wrote, "Yea, though I walk through the valley, I shall fear no evil. For thou art with me." And so, to know that you are attending school in the valley, and you don't have to worry about evil, even if evil comes to you, and it will, you are covered. You are protected. And not only that, while you're in the valley, it says that surely goodness. Somebody could use a little goodness right now. And most of us in here certainly could use some mercy. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me while you are here in the valley.